Well, it's been a year and a half since the last time I made a video about this car, so I think it's time for a Wagon update. And it's a big one. All right, well, let's get into it, shall we? Oh, did you think? No. Almost, but no. Okay, all joking aside, it's been a long time since I made a video about the car. I was kind of waiting to make another one until the car was like completely painted and done. That has taken a little bit longer than expected, as with any project car.
I feel like I'm unwrapping a Christmas present.
So I figured I'd make a little update in the interim. As you can see, it's come a long way since that last video. Hatch, rear quarter, both rockers, they were all held together with aluminum tape, Bondo, and the key ingredient of rust. The rear subframe mounts to had completely rotted away. Their subframe mount actually had a bit of rusty frame that it ripped away, still attached to it. My car!
Look, it's not even connected to the internet.
The bulk of the car is in paint. The doors are done, the fenders are done, the body of the car is in paint, the hatch. So really at this point, like, we're getting down to the wire in terms of paint work. All of the major repairs and stuff are done, obviously. Really all that's left is finishing up the bumpers and doing the trim, the handles, door handles. Like, we're getting into little stuff at this point. So we're kind of wrapping up. And I mean, as you can see, it looks like a kind of a different car than when we started. I've got another set of wheels. I think they're style 42s that we did in metallic gunmetal gray, which are going to really set this thing off. It's going to look amazing. We just did this rear spring conversion, so no more airbags. I didn't want to deal with the potential headache of that. Obviously, I'm not exactly looking forward to the mess that is the interior and figuring out where everything goes. I haven't done the best job of marking all of the parts and the bits, and so it's gonna be fun figuring out where all of that went. So I think over the summer, like the remainder of the summer, once we have it out of here and done, I'm probably just gonna enjoy the car as it is. I haven't driven it much. I had it running really, really nice before I parked it for a year and a half. So I'll probably just want to enjoy the car for a little bit. But beyond that, after that, in the winter, it's going to be time for the manual transmission swap. So I've still got that sedan that you saw in the last video parked at my neighbor's house, and we're going to be working on getting that manual transmission in this car and working, good to go. It shouldn't be too difficult mechanically. Getting it all electronically to sync up can be a little bit difficult. I think I need to send the ECU out to somebody and have them recode it. The sandstone interior is not great. Even if it was in perfect condition, it's not my favorite interior color, and it really doesn't work great with this silver on the exterior now. So the game plan is to try to find yet another parts car, a wagon with a black interior, swap that black interior in and reupholster all the leather in some kind of a dark, like really rich red, because I think that will just like work perfectly with the exterior of this car now. So that's the long-term goal. I want to redo the interior, black with red leather, and do the manual transmission swap. I think that considering the scope and the scale of the restoration that we've done, we've made decent time. I think with the black trim that you're going to see on it later on, it's just gonna look amazing. I'm really excited for everybody to see it once it's done. Like I said, this was meant to just be kind of a short update video, let you know I still own the car, that we're still chugging away, and we're just getting ready to wrap up. So stay tuned for a bigger kind of episode 3, so to speak.
Time to abandon ship.
Of the car when it's done, and you'll have something really interesting to see. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.